Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing well. So now we are going to start with our today's session, that is reading fill in the blanks, drag and drop. So in fill in the blanks, you will have this kind of exercise as well. Few options are given over there. What you need to do, you just need to mark the correct one into the correct blank. So which thing you need to take care, you must know about the actual grammatical sense of this part. Now we are going to start with our today's session. The government might dash take care of the people. Now student, what is the main word over here before the blank? That is might. Now what is might? Might is a kind of modal. So students, with modals, always remember what we need to do with the modals. We always put first form of the verb. So this thing you have to take care. With the modal, you have to mark the first form of the verb. But see, they are playing trick on you. Now what kind of trick they are playing? With modal, already first form of the verb is given. Might, take care. Take, took, taken. So take is already a first form of the verb. So student, if the modal is already given and the first form is already given, then students, your answer will be in the adverb form. Now what are the adverbs? Adverbs are basically the adjectives of the verb. Now adjective of the verb means the word that basically contain ly at its suffix. So ly words are basically the adverbs verb. Now where they usually come? When the helping verb is already given, main verb is already given. Between helping verb and main verb, the word that will come, that is the modal. Is that clear? Okay. So now what is the ly word over here? That is persistently. So your answer will be this one. Okay. Now come to the second one. The challenge is being dashed by many people. Now, what is the word come over here? That is being. Now, which word is there? That is being. Now, what is mean by is being? So, student, when you see this word together, is, am, are plus being word. If you see this word together, is, am, are plus being word, that means this give us the sense of the passive sentence. So see, I am completing my work. My work is being completed by me. So is being completed. Now what you can see over here, whenever you see these words together, is being, am being, are being, was being, were being, that time what you need to do, you have to put here the third form of the verb. Now third form of the verb, which one? The word basically that contains the ed form. Now see, the challenge is being dashed by many people. The challenge is being accelerated or challenge is being confronted. Now which one will be the correct one? So if you see the word accelerated, that means that is associated with the word speed, pace. So the pace word you can see in the next fill in the blanks, not here. So what word will come over here? That is confronted. Confronted means faced. So the challenge is being confronted, faced by many people. Is that clear? Okay. So next one. Moreover, the rights have already dashed space. Now, which word you need to focus over here? Now, you need to focus over here the word already. Already. Now, student, see, if you see these kinds of words, already, just, recently, and never. If you see these kinds of the word before the blank, that means the sentence is giving you the sense of the present or past perfect sentence. The word already, recently, never, and just give you the sense of present perfect sentence. And with present perfect sentence, the third form of the verb will come over here. Now, which one is the last third form of the verb over here? That is accelerative. The rides have already accelerated its pace. The word pace means speed. And whenever you see the word speed, that means the associated word is that one. Which one is the main collocation? Accelerated. So the rides have already accelerated his pace. So hope this lesson will be clear to you. If you want to learn more tips and tricks of this reading session, then kindly connect us. Thank you.